So, hi guys, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. So, in today's videos, I'm going to cover Amazon RDS in a very detailed way and in a very, brief way, also you can say. So, what is RDS? And then we'll start. Okay, so database are the backbone for almost every applications. So whether it's e-commerce, banking, healthcare, or social media. So managing databases traditionally is painful. If you talk about very like ancient time, so that time some muni was there. They used to take care of all the accounts and all that things, so that was very painful because you have to, and later if computer came, so at that time also you have to install, configure deep engine, manage backups, apply patches, upgrade, handle replications, and forward scaling. So what like this Amazon RDS will do, like RDS is nothing but relational database service. What? Relational database service. So it solves the problem. How? It's a fully managed database services. AWS takes care of everything, even infrastructure, management, maintenance, and your focus on queries and data. So if we'll say in simple words, RDS is nothing but database without the headache of managing servers. So yeah, I write in this way only. See, database without the headache of managing servers. So first thing is that supported database engine, that RDS. So RDS supports multiple popular relational database engines. Like previously we use MySQL, that now also many people are organization is using, so it support that also. Widely used community support and PostgreSQL's advanced feature like JSON supports, enterprise ready, and even MariaDB also, like MySQL compatibility, good for the cost effective use cases. It Oracle also it support, and SQL servers for Microsoft stack applications. Now, Amazon Aurora is AWS Cloud Native DB, you know, and MySQL Postgres compatible and high performance. So Aurora is often the recommended choice for new application, because it's faster, more scalable, and built for the cloud. Next thing is core component of RDS. Okay, so that is first is DB instance, the actual running database environment in AWS itself. And AWS classes define CPU and memory like T2 micro, medium, with if you will go and you'll see. And storage types like GBP3. In GBP is nothing but general purpose SSD. Default balanced IO like IO1, IO2, that is provisioned IOPS SSD for high performance applications. And it have a subnet group like defined which subnet your RDC will run in, usually private subnet across multiple ability zones. Ability zones you people understood, I think, if you have watched my previous video. If you have not watched, so just go and saw my previous video. Security groups like acts as a firewall for DB, parameter groups like configuration for DB engine, optional group. So all these things are there now, highly available in RDS. What RDS will do, RDS will offer different way to ensure your database is always available. See, it will give you multi-ability zones. So if one reason will get down, so it will be your application will not get shut down and it will run in another reason at the time of deployment also. Primarily DB is one ability zone and stand up by DB in another ability zone. So what happened if one reason crash or went down, so your DB will not get hampered. And database replication is synchronous and it primarily fails automatically failover, used for database recovery uptime and read replicas. Copies of your DB for read heavy workflows and database replication is asynchronous. Can be the same reason or cross reason. So it's not like if you are application is in US East one, so you have to be in a US East one. No, you can be North Virginia, anything will be fine. And you can use for scaling and read traffic or reporting, or a special HA. Storage automatically replication across 3 ability zones. So this is compulsory. Up to 15 read app replicas, a faster failover than standard RDS. Scaling in RDS, like vertical scaling. You know vertical scaling, what is vertical and what is horizontal scaling? Vertical scaling is nothing but if traffic will be more, so it will increase instance. Instance means server size like CPU, RAM, ROM. And horizontal, it will add replicas. Means more number of pods it will, what we can say, replicas it will scale. And storage auto scaling, automatically increase DB storage when near to capacity. Like say if you have automated and if you have configured this with Grafana, that if our DB storage will be more than 80%, so what it will do, it automatically increase the capacity itself when it will reach to the 80% in the configuration time. And it is serverless, so no need of EC2 instance or something. It is auto scaling of compute based on demand. Okay, so this is a very good thing. And sorry, yeah, and now backups and restore is also there, like automated backups. So retention for it is will be 35 days. So up to 35 days we can retain and allow points in time recovery, manual snapshot, taken manually, retained until deleted. And we can copy across regions also. And best thing is that it supports both automated and a manual also. And security is also very good in RDS because it encrypt at rest. So and encryption in transit also, and private subnets also. Private subnet and public subnet we'll discuss in when I'll take the class of APC. See, I'm taking all the classes of API and load balancer and all these things. So like now only I'm taking these classes. So for you people, VPC classes will be very easy. Okay, now I am authentication. IAM means identity access managed. That classes I already taken. If you haven't watched, go and watch and then come here. I am authentication for MySQL Postgres use IAM to constrain. Yeah, secret. You people say na AWS secret manager. So this is the only secret manager integration for automatic credentials rotation, and deletion is also there. And we can monitor in RDS like Amazon CloudWatch, matrices like CPU, storage, IOPS connection, enhanced monitoring, OS level metrics, performance insight like visual tools to analyze queries, bottlenecks, and DB loads. Even notification you will get a lot for failure, backups completion, maintenance in RDS like automatic patching, security and minor versions update, maintenance with Windows. You can set your preferred time for updates, blue green deployment, blue green deployments, and it will what we can say, apply upgrades to the clone, swap with the main DB, minimal downtime and during the upgrade. So automatically it is very good for deployment. And cost also it depends on DB instances. Okay, so like how much you will use, you have to pay. Storage is GB in months, IOPS, backups storage, and data transfer. Cost optimization tips is also there, and common use cases I already have given. Best practices and CloudWatch monitoring imaging. So see what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you this, PDF. So you will people will understand. This is this whatever the thing I have explained. This is very in a very plain English. And if again you people have any doubt, so do comment in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a nice day.